ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಗಣಿತ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 1.1 ಅನ್ನ ಚರ್ಚಿಸಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 1.1 express each number as a product of its prime factors. First one 140 ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾರ. 140ನ 140 ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. 2 7s 14, 1 as it is, it becomes 70. Next 2 3s 6, 1 left, it becomes 10. 2 5s 10. Next, in last digit or unit digit 5 is there, therefore divisibility rule of 5. If a number ends with 0 or 5, it will definitely divisible by 5. That's why I'm taking 5. 5 7s 35. 7 1s 7. 1. 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. ಇದನ್ನ 2 raised to 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. 5 7. Next, express each number as a product of its prime factors. Second one 156. Same 156. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಇದೆ. ಕೊನೆಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 0 2 6 8 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು 2ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. 2 7 14, 1 ಉಳಿತು 16 ಆಯ್ತಿದ್ದು. 2 8 16. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊನೆಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 8 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. 2 3s 6, 1 left, it becomes 18. 2 9s 18. Next, last digit is 9 is there, therefore it will divisible by 3. 3 1s 3 3s 13 1s. 156 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 1 into 13 raised to 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ. Next, third one 3825. 3825 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ or unit digit is 5 is there, therefore it is divisible by 5. Take 5. 5 7s 35. 3 left, it becomes 32. 5 6s 13. 2 left, it becomes 25. 5 5s 25. Next, in unit digit 5 is there, therefore take 5. 5 1s 2 left, it becomes 26. 5 5s 25. 1 left, it becomes 15. 5 3s 15. Next, the sum of digit is 9. If sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then whole number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. It will be divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3. 5 plus 1, 6. It is divisible by 3. Again, 3 ones are 2 left. It becomes 21. 3 sevens are 21. 17. 17 ones are. Next, 3, 8, 2, 5. 3 into 3 into I am writing these factors in ascending orders. 5 into 5 into 17. 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2 into 17. Next, five hundred 5,005. 5,005. Last digit is 5 is there. Therefore, it will be divisible by 5. 5 ones are 0, 0, 0. Divisibility rule of 11 says sum of odd and difference of odd place and even place 0 or 11. It will definitely divisible by 11. Therefore, I take 11 here. 11 nines are 99. 1 left. 100 minus 99. 1 left. It becomes 11. 11 ones are 91. 13 sevens are 91. 7 ones are 5,005 is equal to, I'm writing factors in ascending order. 7 into just 7, 7, 5, 11, 13. Write it in ascending order. 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. This is the answer. Express each number as the product of its prime factors. Fourth one. Fifth one, 7,429. Last number is 9 is there. Try 3. It is not divisible by 3 because 3 plus 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 9, it becomes 22. 22 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 17. 17 fours are 68. 68, see, 74 minus 68. This is 6, carry 1, 6 left. It becomes 62. 17 threes are 51. 62 minus 51. This is 1, 11 left. It becomes 119. 17 sevens are 119. Next, 437 is there. 437 divisible by 19. 19 twos are 38. 38. 43 minus 38. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 8, 5. Carry 1, 0. 5 left. It becomes 57. 13, 19. 3 is 19. 3 is 57. 57 is a prime number. 57. 23 is a prime number. 23 ones are 4, 7, 4, 2, 9. Prime, in a prime factorization, we can write it as 17 into 9 into 23. This much for in this video. I will discuss this question in next video. Thank you for watching.